Fidget haul for Five Below. First, let's open this heart hard shell poppet. Here it is. Let's test it out. Bad side, good side. I love this poppet. It's so good. Next one. Next, I got another part hard shell poppet, except it's a purple and blue tie-dye poppet. Let's test it out. First, the bad side, good side. This one's super good. Let's head on to the next one. Next, a color changing butterfly poppet. Let's test it out. First, the bad side. Time for the good side. I love this poppet. Next, monkey noodles. Let's unbox them. Here they are. They're super fun and stretchy and textured, and I love to play with them. Bye everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. Now it's time for my NANAS fidgets. First, she got this Yeti Boomers. Let's unbox it. Here she is playing with it. There goes the ball. Yay! The next fidget my Nana got was this running rat. Let's test it out. Let's test it out. It didn't work. Next she got this light up astronaut keychain. Let's unbox it. Here it is. Let's test it out. It's so cute. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.